Welcome back. Today, we're exploring a space that has just evolved at breakneck speed. In this explainer, we're zeroing in on a real powerhouse in the industry, the influencer marketing factory. Because, as our source material points out, finding the exact right creator, it isn't just a luxury anymore, but actually executing it can be, well, completely chaotic. So let's dive right into this and see how this platform aims to eliminate all that guesswork. I want to direct this right to the D2C companies, the marketing teams, the e-commerce founders, and the agencies out there tuning in. Are you still playing the influencer guessing game? You know the one, where you basically throw a huge budget at a creator based on a gut feeling, cross your fingers, and just pray the sales roll in. It's unpredictable, it's highly manual, and honestly, in 2026, it is just incredibly inefficient. Because the old way of doing things comes with some absolute headaches. We are talking about literal weeks lost to manual research, just scrolling and scrolling through feeds trying to find that perfect match. And the unpredictable ROI, that makes it nearly impossible to justify your marketing spend to the higher-ups. Plus, and this is absolutely crucial, the brand safety concerns. Choosing the wrong partner can be a complete PR nightmare. It's exactly why the industry has been practically begging for a comprehensive, data-driven fix.
Which brings us to our first section, Meet the Factory, a strategic growth channel.
So what actually is it? Well, the Influencer Marketing Factory is a comprehensive influencer marketing platform and agency. It's not just one or the other, it's a hybrid. It combines really powerful software tools with expert campaign management to deliver actual measurable results. Whether your audience is hanging out on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or wherever, this system is specifically designed to help brands discover, manage, and ultimately scale their campaigns. It's really all about having the right tools and the right expertise under one roof.
Moving right along to Section 2, the engine and its core platform features.
Take a look at these core offerings from the source. You've got advanced influencer discovery, campaign management tools, real-time analytics and reporting, access to a massive global influencer network, and an optional white glove service. Honestly, instead of duct taping 5 different software subscriptions together and just praying they sync, which, let's face it, is a headache we all know way too well, this is designed to be a completely unified workspace. It handles the whole shebang, from that very first search all the way through to tracking your final dollar of ROI. Let's actually walk through the logical flow of a campaign using this system. Step 1 is AI discovery. And listen, this isn't just typing vague keywords into a search bar. We're talking smart search, an AI-powered matching based on incredibly specific data points. Stuff like niche, audience demographics, engagement rates, and how well a creator actually aligns with your unique brand. Then step 2 is campaign management, which is where the collaboration happens. And finally, step 3 is real-time analytics, where you actually measure the impact. So the really crucial point is how this looks in practice for your day-to-day workflow. The campaign management tools give you a true end-to-end environment. You can handle brief creation, content approval, and coordinate posting schedules directly inside the platform. Just think about what this eliminates for a second. No more messy, chaotic email chains with creators. No more lost attachments or missing deadlines because someone got a time zone mixed up. The entire collaboration is centralized. Moving to the end of that campaign flow, we hit real-time analytics and reporting. This right here is where you finally move from guesswork to actual measurable business results. The platform gives you detailed performance metrics and really deep audience insights. But the absolute most important part? It gives you accurate ROI calculation. For an e-commerce business or an agency trying to prove the value of their spend, the source highlights this exact transparent data as the ultimate key to showing what worked and why. But look, software is only as good as the network it accesses, right? The Influencer Marketing Factory taps into a global influencer network. And what's vital to point out here is the sheer scale and quality. We are talking about thousands of fully vetted creators. And it spans all tiers, from those highly engaged nano-influencers with super loyal niche followings, all the way up to the massive mega-influencers who give you that instant global reach. The strict vetting process ensures you're always choosing from a pool of authentic professionals. Now let's dive into Section 3, the human touch, finding your fit. The platform actually gives you 2 distinct paths to choose from. First up, you have the self-serve tools. This is a really accessible, software-driven workflow for teams who are totally ready to execute their own vision. If you've got a marketing team that just needs the right platform to do their thing, this is where you live. Now contrast that with their white glove service. This is an investment-level choice where you literally hand the reins over to their internal experts. It's optional, full-service campaign management run by professionals who do absolutely nothing but run these campaigns day in and day out. All right, moving into section 4, the proof and real marketer results in 2026. It's always so fascinating to see how these tools perform out in the wild. Take a look at this feedback from a client in the source data. They said, the influencer marketing factory made our campaigns so much smoother. The discovery tool alone saved us weeks of manual research. I mean, imagine getting weeks of your team's time back. That is the very direct benefit of abandoning the endless manual scroll and just letting AI-powered matching do the heavy lifting for you. Here's another really interesting perspective, focusing on that hybrid model we talked about earlier. Best combination of powerful platform plus real human support. Our ROI has never been higher. This really highlights the financial benefit of pairing robust, transparent analytics with genuine human expertise. I mean, it makes sense, right? When you actually know what your data means, your returns are naturally going to go up. And finally, we have a sentiment that is echoed a lot in the source material. Finally, an influencer platform that actually understands brand safety and delivers consistent results. For literally any agency or brand manager out there, knowing that your creators are fully vetted and your brand's reputation is protected, that is completely invaluable. It basically takes all the anxiety right out of the equation. Which leads us to our fifth and final section, the final verdict, covering pros, cons, and the rating. Let's take a really close look at the downsides outlined in the source, just so you know exactly what you're getting into. First, as we mentioned, the full-service campaigns are investment level. While the self-serve tools are super accessible, the white glove service definitely requires a significant budget. Second, to get the absolute best results, it still requires clear brand direction from you. The AI is smart, but it can't invent your brand identity from scratch. And third, if your campaign is incredibly niche or strictly hyper-local, you might find fewer matching creators in the network compared to, say, broader lifestyle campaigns.
But honestly, even despite those specific limitations, the rating is incredibly strong. We're looking at a huge 4.8 out of 5 stars. The source material notes this is simply outstanding for the platform's depth and the actual real-world campaign results it delivers, with only those minor notes regarding the investment level for the full white glove service. For brands and marketers who are serious about dominating this space in 2026, it's ranked as one of the most complete and effective solutions out there. Oh, and as a neat little bonus detail pulled straight from our source, if you happen to engage with the platform via Quasa.io, which happens to be where this project is featured, you can even earn a 1 QUA reward. It's just a fun, nice little incentive for exploring the platform through their network. So that brings us to our final thought for this explainer. Look back at everything we've covered today: the AI matching, the seamless end-to-end workflow, the totally transparent ROI. Is it time your brand finally stopped guessing and actually started scaling? If you are just exhausted by the manual headaches, the Influencer Marketing Factory seems purpose-built to turn that chaotic process into a highly predictable strategic growth channel. I really hope this structured look gave you the clarity you need. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll catch you in the next one.